Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do this really easy no-sew studded button-up shirt. Let's go. Alright, so there's a few things you're going to need, honey. Some E6000 glue, some rhinestones, and of course the shirt you're going to need. You want to lay that down flat on a surfaced area also, and you might need some utensils to help you apply the rhinestones on there too. Now I got these rhinestones right here from Michael's, and all the products I've got from Michael's. They always got coupons and stuff there, so go crazy, girl. And this utensil right there, that really helps applying the glue, so get that one. Oh, let's admire these nails real quick though. Ooh, hello. Okay, so you just want to lay out your rhinestones out to see get an idea of kind of what pattern you want on yours. And again, this is how the glue looks with the utensil on there. That helps you push out the glue a bit better. But I do want to say the E6000 glue kind of made me upset because as I was using it, it actually burst out the sides. Really freaking crazy, you guys. Okay, so this is kind of how it looks after I just applied just the diamond ones first, and now I'm going to go in with the colored ones and place them in and kind of glue them randomly in different spaces. And you kind of just want to do this with your rhinestones as well. One thing I did like about these rhinestones is that they come in different various sizes, so that you could put some big ones here, some small ones there, and make it kind of more cohesive on both of the sleeves without trying to make it like a super hard job of trying to do a pattern. This is the ideal look, and now when you do both sleeves, you get something like this. I hope you guys do like this tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this. I really like this shirt. I'm actually going to go back and add these other rhinestones on here. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm pretty sure I'm going to post a picture up of it. After I post these rhinestones, it's going to make it a whole lot blinger. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe to your girl. And yes, I will be back again, honey. Please enjoy and let me see your videos and stuff. Tag me on them, girl. Yes.